Isibonelelo sabangasebenzi samarandi amathathu namashumi amahlanu sethulwa emva kokubheduka kwegciwane iCovid nyakenye samiswa emva kwezinyanga eziyisithupha kodwa uMengameli wasibuyisa emva kwezibhelu zangenyanga kaJulayi KwaZulu-Natal naseGauteng. iCOSATU kanye nezinhlangano zemiphakathi zifuna uhulumeni angabe sasiqeda futhi imali ayikhuphule.
Subject to long-term affordability, serious consideration should be given to extending further support to the unemployed and those who are structurally marginalized, possibly in the form of an extension of the COVID-19 SRD grant, targeted food poverty line support, and a number of other measures.
Bayizigidi ezisishagalolunye abantu abafaka izicelo zokuthola le mali emva kokubuyiswa kwayo ngenyanga edlule. Kanti izinhlangano eziningi kubandakanya iCOSATU zisaqhubeka nokunxenxa uhulumeni ukuthi ethule uhlelo lwe-basic income grant kuleli.
There continues to be significant demand on government to continue with and expand income support measures for those living in poverty. Further work needs to be done towards the achievement of comprehensive social security to ensure that all South Africans can live in comfort and dignity.
Ekhuluma kuyo lengqungquthela uMengameli weCOSATU uzingiswalosi ukhwele wadilika ku-UIF ngokulibaziseka ekukhokhelweni kwabasebenzi abakhahlamezekile imali ye-TERS.
A sense of paralysis in the UIF by officials scared of being found wanting by the Auditor General. However, comrades, this is at the cost of thousands of workers waiting for 3 months for this relief.
Kulindeleke ukuthi unobhala jikelele we-SABC uBlade Nzimande ethule eyakhe inkulumo kusasa. Mbongeni Muthwa, SABC, Ekhuluma.